Hi there, I'm Liz Boisvert. I had a great Core 90 today. I brought my favorite top 10 things I can't live without in Kvcore. It was really hard to narrow down, so there might be a part two in that regard. If you missed it, don't worry. Our leader here in the community, Jeff Richmond, will push that out to YouTube and you can watch the recording later. But a question came up at the very end that I wanted to revisit, and that's how do I leverage my listings with promotions such as just solds or price reduction. And all of that used to be accessed via the EXP Enterprise Marketing Center, but now they've incorporated that with Kvcore, which is fantastic. And also here at EXP, as you know, we get Canva for free, so you can also build stuff out that way. But I'm going to show you how to use Kvcore because that's what I do. So I'll go ahead and share my screen and open up my Kvcore dashboard. And I'll start from the beginning by clicking the left icon, the EXP logo. That will always take you back to your main page. And then you'll scroll down to the paper airplane, and then you'll click Design Center Get Started. Now you can find your listing here, any listing that you want. I have it a default kit here for that particular listing, but you can also search for the listing up there. Now you'll want to make sure that you're on the tab that you want, because if you're, on the social media tab, you won't be able to see flyers for your listing. So it's important to know what tab you're on. The all media will give you access to everything. I can click on my recent kits and then just what am I trying to do? What design do I want? There's flyer, there's postcards, different styles to choose from. And then once you click or select the one that you want, let's say you're going to send out some just sold postcards, you can delete information, you can, add information, but one thing you'll want to focus on over here is the listing status, and I can change that to just sold. So instead of just listed on the promotion, it will say just sold, or you can just edit it by typing it there. And then there's also the branding. You could do co-agent. You could really focus on your brokerage. I have it set for agent. And then all you have to do is download it. And you can even print it here if you wanted to. So it's super easy. You just click on that design button. I hope that's helpful. And thanks for the great questions, Steve. I will always enjoy having you at 490. And I hope you have a really good day. All right.